Hey YouTube, it's Any aka the Nut Trader, back again with another video. Today I've had the best day ever. Look at the smile on my face. I've made £1,250 in 10 minutes off a swing trade. It's my best day ever with regards to my trading. It's a bit of luck, I'm not gonna lie. Well, not luck, because it was good technical analysis, but I didn't think it was going to do what I expected it to do to this extent. So I'm going to go through the two trades that I made to make £1,250 in less than 10 minutes. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how can you make that much in 10 minutes if you call it a swing trade? Because swing trades take a bit of time, don't they? Well, I set my order for BIIB last night. So today's the 24th, Tuesday 24th. So it was Monday the 23rd of July when I set this trade, just before market close. So my rationale behind my trade was, as you can see here, let me make this bigger. As you can see here, the price had peaked at 36,747 before, and then dropped, and now it was creeping back up slowly. Now I started consolidating around this point here, and this is where I made my buy order for 50p per pip. Now my idea was that I didn't think it was actually going to break up, to be honest. I actually thought I was buying a losing trade, so I set my stop loss just below this line here. So it was the previous support here. So I set stop loss just below there, and the stop loss was I was gonna lose about 100 and something pounds. So I thought, well, what's the problem? I thought the risk to reward ratio is pretty decent, because I can either, maybe I can lose about 150 or gain 450, which is what I expected was going to happen. I've got to gain about £400, something like that, £350. So that's what I was expecting, because I caught a 50p per pip bet. So what happened when the market opened this afternoon? It gapped up sizably, gapped up quite a lot, gapped up over 2,000 pips. So if I put £1, I would have made 2,000 pips. But oh well, things can't be choosers, eh? So it gapped up, and then it exited me out of my trade because I set my stop loss around here. So I was set my stop loss to make about 450 pips, but because it gapped up, it closed my trade at the point of entry. So I made way more than I'd actually expected to make, or I'd actually set my limit for, which was great. So it closed me out, and I made about £1,000 off that trade. So I got kind of lucky, but combination of luck and good technical analysis made £1,000 off that trade. Now my second trade, 5. This is my bread and butter right here. So 1 hour chart. 5, straight away what I saw was that it was bouncing off of this support and resistance for quite a while, but then it started using the 180-day SMA as the support. So I was bouncing off of this and making high highs. So I knew it was going to break out. I missed this breakout I missed this breakout last week, unfortunately. So I couldn't get in on that. But then it started coming back down. Now, when I realized what was happening, it was around here. So straight away, I noticed that this was forming a head and shoulders. And for everyone that knows about head and shoulders, they know that when the second shoulder comes, a big dip follows. So I shorted it here. I was quite reserved. I don't know why. I should have put more money on it than I did, but I shorted it for £1 a pip, and I rode it down. I didn't ride it down to the bottom because I was so excited about my previous trade. I didn't really care about how much I made off this one, so I rode it down for a profit of about £120. And that was pretty much at the open of the market, to be honest. Let me use my ruler tool. Yeah, so within the first hour of market open, I made my money and I exited. So you can see that X here and that here, so there's 2 bars. So I exited that trade, and yeah, that's the story of how I'm 1,200 up in one day. Sorry if I'm sounding excited, but this is my most successful trading day ever. and I just thought I'd share with you the process as to the 2 trades that I made to make that happen. It was a bit of luck, to be honest, because the first trade gapped up way more than I expected it to, but at the end of the day, a combination of good technical analysis and a bit of luck can make you a lot of profit. So I hope you found this video useful and you understood the processes that I made to making this trade, and yeah, not a trader.